Hello everyone, today's menu will be pan-fried cod with creamy sriracha sauce. This is a healthy and delicious dinner that can be at your dinner table in under 15 minutes. So, if you're ready, let's get cooking. In a small bowl, I have some mayo and I'm going to add in some sriracha. Along with some sweetened condensed milk. And then also some lemon juice. You can go ahead and use lime juice if you wish. And then some freshly cracked black pepper. And then I'm just going to go in and give it all a good mix, combine everything well. And then you go ahead and add some more sriracha if you wish to make it a little bit more spicier. Or if you want to be a little bit more tangy, you can go ahead and add some more lemon juice. But for me, this is perfect. And then I'm just going to set this aside until ready to use. Okay, here in a shallow bowl, I have some rice flour. And then I'm going to add in some garlic powder and onion powder. Along with some cayenne pepper. And then I'm just going to give it a whisk, combine everything well. And if you don't have any rice flour, you can go ahead and also use just plain all-purpose flour too. But I love using rice flour. Okay, and then I'm just going to set this aside until ready to use. Here I have 4 pieces of cod, and they're about 4 ounces each of them. And then I'm just going to season it with some salt and also some black pepper. And then I'm going to flip it to the other side and do both of them. And then I'm just going to move this to the side. And then bring in my flour mixture. And then I'm just going to grab 1 piece of the cod. And I'm just going to dip it into the dry ingredients. Just like that. And I'm just going to remove the excess flour, and then I'm just going to place it onto this plate. And then I'm just going to repeat the rest of my cod. In the largest frying pan you have, I'm going to add in some butter. And then along with some oil. Once the butter is nice and melted, I'm going to add in the cod. And I'm going to do 2 at a time just because my pan is a little bit smaller. And I don't really want to crowd all of them all in there. And then if you do have a larger pan, you can go ahead and just throw all of them in there at once. And then I cook them for about 4 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it and cook the other side for about another minute or 2, or until it's nice and golden brown. And then I'm just going to continue my process with my other 2 cods. And then I'm just going to remove their excess oil and then drain it onto a plate lined with paper towel. Here is the end results of the cod with creamy sriracha sauce. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!